Japan. The very name evokes a sense of wonder. It's a land where ancient traditions seamlessly coexist with futuristic technology. Imagine strolling through serene bamboo forests, then hopping on a bullet train that whisks you away at unimaginable speeds. Picture yourself sipping matcha in a traditional tea ceremony, then losing yourself in the neon-lit streets of Tokyo. This captivating contrast is what makes Japan a truly unique and unforgettable travel destination. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine stepping into a time machine. You're transported to a land of ancient temples and majestic castles. Samurai warriors once walked these very streets. You can almost hear the clash of swords and the whispers of history. Now open your eyes and breathe in the aromas of delicious street food. Savory ramen, delicate sushi, and fluffy pancakes tempt your taste buds. This is Japan, a captivating blend of the old and the new, ready for you to explore. Let's take a quick journey through time, exploring the rich and diverse history of Japan. Japan's history dates back millennia, with its roots deeply embedded in ancient traditions and cultural practices. The Jomon period, beginning around 14,000 BCE, saw the emergence of pottery and a hunter-gatherer lifestyle. This era is characterized by its intricate pottery designs and the development of early settlements. Fast forward to the Kofun period, 300 to 538 CE, with its impressive burial mounds. These mounds, known as Kofun, were built for the elite and are a testament to the hierarchical society of the time. Buddhism arrived in the 6th century, leaving an indelible mark on Japanese art, architecture, and spirituality. The introduction of Buddhism led to the construction of magnificent temples and the creation of beautiful Buddha statues. The Edo period, 1603 to 1868, brought about a flourishing of arts and culture under the Tokugawa shogunate. This era saw the rise of traditional Japanese paintings, literature, and theater, reflecting the society's values and aesthetics. Finally, the Meiji Restoration in 1868 propelled Japan into the modern era, paving the way for its technological advancements and global influence. This period marked a significant transformation as Japan embraced industrialization and modernization. From ancient emperors to modern marvels, Japan's history is a tapestry woven with threads of tradition, innovation, and resilience. The journey from its ancient roots to its current status as a global powerhouse is a testament to the enduring spirit and adaptability of the Japanese people. Did you know that Japan is an archipelago of over 6,800 islands? Yes, you heard that right. 6,800 islands, each with its own unique charm and story. That's right. While most people know the 4 main islands, Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku, the vast number of smaller islands adds to Japan's mystique. These smaller islands are often less explored, but offer incredible natural beauty, rich history, and unique cultural experiences. And speaking of marvels, prepare to be amazed by the Shinkansen, Japan's network of bullet trains. These trains are not just a mode of transportation, they are a symbol of Japan's technological prowess and efficiency. These technological wonders can reach speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour, or 200 miles per hour, making travel between cities a breeze. Imagine zipping from Tokyo to Osaka in just a couple of hours, all while enjoying the scenic views from your window. Vending machines are ubiquitous in Japan, offering everything from hot and cold beverages to snacks, umbrellas, and even toys. These machines are a testament to Japan's innovation and convenience culture. Did someone say Kit Kats? In Japan, Kit Kats are more than just a chocolate treat. They are a cultural phenomenon. Forget milk or dark chocolate. Japan takes Kit Kats to a whole new level with an array of unique and sometimes surprising flavors. Japan is a wonderland of Kit Kat flavors like green tea, strawberry cheesecake, and even wasabi. Each region often has its own special flavor, making them a popular souvenir for tourists. And let's not forget the iconic cherry blossoms, or sakura. These beautiful flowers are deeply ingrained in Japanese culture and are celebrated with festivals and gatherings. These delicate pink blooms herald the arrival of spring and transform the country into a breathtaking sea of petals. The cherry blossom season is a time for reflection, celebration, and appreciation of nature's fleeting beauty. Finally, if you're a cat lover, you must visit one of Japan's many cat islands, where feline friends outnumber human residents. These islands are a paradise for cat enthusiasts and offer a unique glimpse into a different way of life. Section 5. Kyoto temples, geishas, and timeless elegance. Kyoto, the ancient capital of Japan, is a city that embodies the soul of traditional Japan. Step back in time as you wander through the serene bamboo groves of Arashiyama, or marvel at the golden splendor of Kinkakuji, the temple of the Golden Pavilion. Experience the tranquility of Ryoanji's rock garden, a masterpiece of Zen minimalism. In the Gion district, you might even catch a glimpse of a geisha, an elegant embodiment of Japanese artistry and tradition. Section 6. Beyond Kyoto, Nara, Hokkaido, and Okinawa. Beyond Kyoto, Japan's diverse regions beckon with their own unique charm. In Nara, feed friendly deer that roam freely in Nara Park, home to the majestic Todaiji Temple, housing a giant bronze Buddha statue. If you're seeking winter wonderlands, head north to Hokkaido, where you can ski, snowboard, or indulge in a relaxing onsen or hot spring experience. For a taste of the tropics, venture south to Okinawa, an archipelago known for its pristine beaches, coral reefs, and distinct Ryukyuan culture. Section 7. From Osaka's culinary delights to Kanazawa's Zen gardens. Osaka, Japan's second largest city, is a food lover's paradise. Indulge in savory okonomiyaki, savory pancakes, takoyaki, octopus balls, and kushikatsu, deep-fried skewers. Kanazawa, on the other hand, offers a serene escape with its exquisite Kenrokuen Garden, considered one of Japan's 3 most beautiful gardens. Lose yourself in the tranquil beauty of Kenrokuen's ponds, bridges, and meticulously manicured landscapes. Section 8. Nikko, Shirakawago, and Hiroshima. Exploring Japan's diverse heritage. Nikko, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to the elaborately decorated Toshogu Shrine, a testament to the artistry and craftsmanship of the Edo period. In the Japanese Alps, visit Shirakawago, a picturesque village of traditional gasho-style farmhouses with steeply pitched thatched roofs designed to withstand heavy snowfall. Finally, pay your respects at Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park, a poignant reminder of the devastation of war and a symbol of hope for peace. Section 9. Tokyo, where ancient traditions meet modernity. Tokyo, the vibrant capital, is a city of contrasts where ancient traditions meet futuristic technology. Ascend the Tokyo Skytree for panoramic views of the city, then explore the bustling shopping districts of Shibuya and Ginza. Immerse yourself in the colorful world of anime and manga in Akihabara, or find tranquility in the Imperial Palace Gardens. Tokyo is a city that never sleeps, offering endless possibilities for exploration and discovery. Section 10. A tapestry of culture tea ceremonies, cuisine, and festivals. Japan's rich culture is a tapestry woven with ancient traditions, exquisite cuisine, and vibrant festivals. Each element of this cultural mosaic tells a story of the nation's history, values, and artistic expression. The tea ceremony, or chado, is a ritualized art form that embodies harmony, respect, and tranquility. This centuries-old practice is not just about drinking tea. It's a meditative experience that fosters mindfulness and appreciation for the present moment. Japanese cuisine, known for its fresh ingredients and delicate flavors, is a culinary journey in itself. The meticulous preparation and presentation of each dish reflect the Japanese philosophy of balance and aesthetics. From sushi, with its artful arrangement of fish and rice, and ramen, a comforting bowl of noodles in rich broth, to tempura, where seafood and vegetables are lightly battered and fried to perfection, and wagashi, or traditional sweets, there's something to tantalize every palate. These confections, often made from rice flour and sweet bean paste, are as beautiful as they are delicious, often reflecting the seasons in their design. Throughout the year, Japan comes alive with festivals, or matsuri, celebrating everything from the changing seasons to local deities. These vibrant events are a feast for the senses, featuring colorful parades, traditional music, and dance. Experience the excitement of the Sapporo Snow Festival with its giant ice sculptures, a winter wonderland that attracts visitors from around the globe. Or witness the magic of the Gion Matsuri in Kyoto, a procession of elaborately decorated floats. This festival, one of the most famous in Japan, showcases the country's rich cultural heritage and community spirit. Section 11. Essential tips for an unforgettable Japanese journey. The best time to visit Japan is during spring, from March to May, or autumn, from September to November, for pleasant weather and stunning scenery. Cherry blossoms bloom in spring, while autumn paints the landscapes in vibrant hues of red, orange, and yellow. Learn a few basic Japanese phrases to enhance your interactions with locals. Bowing is the customary greeting in Japan, and it's considered polite to remove your shoes before entering homes and some traditional establishments. Finally, embrace the Japanese concept of omotenashi, or heartfelt hospitality, which will make your journey even more special. Japan is calling. Subscribe to Travel Magic for more adventures around the world.